Hi, I'm Annie from the Wisconsin Wilderness Family. In this video, we hiked onto private land with 3 kids, built a tarp shelter, and tried to survive a cold, rainy night in the Wisconsin woods. Temps were in the 40s, it rained all night, and we didn't bring a tent, just a tarp, some rope, and a fire. For dinner, steak on a stick and cooked over the flames, and foil-wrapped potatoes roasted right over the coals. Stick around to see if a tarp, a fire, and 3 tough kids were enough to get us through the night. This is our tarp survival challenge.
Have some grilled cheese, a ham melt, some Waiawiga Black Forest ham, straight from the Star Dairy, Waiawiga cheese, aged cheddar. For a snack, we got sweet bourbon chipotle bacon cheese curds. These are delicious.
A little bit melted, a little bit.
And some sliced turkey to add to the sandwiches. Delicious. Nice work, Jake. Thank you. What do you got, Tom?
2 hot dogs. Hot dogs?
Yep.
Take this.
See you after lunch.
Before setting up any shelter, we always check the trees above for dead limbs or hanging branches. One bad break in the night can end your trip. With a clear space picked, we got to work running a ridgeline between 2 sturdy trees. No fancy gear, just twine and a pocket knife. This entire setup cost less than $20 and gave us everything we needed to turn a tarp into a backwoods tent. We stretched the tarp over the ridgeline, folded the sides, and secured it low to the ground to keep out the wind and rain. Simple, fast, and reliable. Proof that you don't need expensive gear to have an overnight adventure with your kids.
Your easy straps. Is that better? You okay? Just wipe it on your jeans and keep going.
Now that the camp is set up, it's time to explore.
Yep. Annie, look up.
Whoa. Trees are so tall.
Come on. You got it, Tom. Go real slow. They're
The wind's
sweet bourbon,
blowing that
chipotle,
way.
bacon.
I found one.
Oh.
Somewhere. Also, this is burning.
Yeah.
When I'm done making the
Oh, very nice. I think it'd be cool to have like a fully built.
Sap on it.
Very cool.
Split that in half.
of what?
Open his quit trip. Closest one.
I flipped everything except the big one. Do I?
Mom, I'm holding it.
Can you help me trim this stick?
Perfect. Still moving. That looks good. No.
In that.
Huh? You try it?
Come here, come.
Here's about 20.
That's good. Tastes like a pancake, but crunchy.
How is it?
Very good.
Yeah, it's out of it.
Mm-hmm.
How's that
I
potato
have some
there?
butter.
How's the potatoes over there?
Very good, very good. Perfectly cooked. Okay.
Yeah.
Say if you disrespect the wilderness, Jack will come for you, not to hurt you. He'll just judge you intensely from the shadows while barefoot.
He was holding the marshmallows over the flames. Suddenly, boom, boom! The entire marshmallow tower ignited like a torch. Flames shot up. Everyone screamed. Max tried to blow it out, but just ended up roasting his eyebrows.
This is a true story, mostly. We used to call it the White Lady's Castle. Her hair was long, black, and soaked like she just came from the lake. Her skin was pale as frost, and she looked straight through me.
Kenosha Harbor. It was quiet, no boots, no wind. Then the fog started rolling in, thick out of nowhere. A lantern swinging slowly at the end in the mist.
We're all cozy inside the shelter. Tommy's already asleep, Annie's there, and Jake's all warm.
I like turtles.
Good night.
We made it to the morning.
How'd you sleep, Annie?
Good.
A little bit of rain last night, but the shelter held up. Good morning, Annie.
Good morning.
Check out that sweater. Who made that sweater?
Mom.
And then crochet it. We're packing up.
Hi, good morning. Welcome to Wisconsin Wilderness Family. Last time we slept in a survival shelter made out of tarp. We did pretty good and spent the whole night out here. We woke up a couple times. I had a lot of fun. If you ever have to survive, I hope you have a tarp with you. This is something but lots of fun. Now it's time for coffee.
If you like this type of content, don't forget to like and subscribe.